we're going to take a look at the knotless knot. It's very important to use a hook with an outturned eye, which is an eye that goes up. Obviously this isn't a fishing hook, but the eye will point upwards like that, so the hole will be here at an angle. It's very important to use an outturned eyed hook for a knotless knot. Otherwise, if you use a straight hook, a straight eyed hook like this one, there can be an awful lot of pressure where the line exits the eye, and it can actually cause the line to weaken and sometimes fail. So I've got a super large bait band that's tied with a loop tire with using an overhand loop knot. Now, just to start with, I like to have my knot so it's just touching the bottom of the hook there on the bend. So you can have them slightly longer, you can have the band touching the bend of the hook, but because all my loops are exactly the same, I know that that's a controlled distance there. So I put the knot on the bend of the hook like that. We're going to take the end of our line and pass it down through the eye. Obviously the eye is going to be facing a different way, but for this we're going to go down through the eye of the hook, get that right way, and pull it all through. Okay, we're going to check that our knot is on the bend of the hook there and hold it with our thumb. We're going to go up first and start whipping the line down the shank of the hook. Keep them nice and tight, take your time until the line is level with the point. I then do one more whip up. You don't have to, but I like to. And then taking the end of the line again, going in the same direction as you did before, down, so the line comes out at the bottom. That is a knotless knot with a bait band.